You can very easily change all of the parameters of a zipper by going into your unsimulation, your non-simulation side, and clicking on the zipper itself. So you can see that the zipper tape is highlighted. Moving over to my property editor tab, I can see that I've got a lot of information about this zipper. It is a zipper number 3. That's the preset. It is a plastic zipper. I can change that to metal if I prefer, and it would change the teeth. You can see that's the metal zipper. I'll go back to the plastic. Slightly different. You can even see there's an invisible zipper. So I'm going to go back to actually I like the metal. I'm a big fan of metal zippers. And so I'm going to place it on metal. You can change the size of the teeth. A bigger number is a bigger teeth set. You can even change the teeth width and the total width of the zipper. This also gives you some information about the amount of change that the pattern's going to need to take if we decide to adjust our pattern for the width of the total zipper. So I'm going to simulate it. I just reduced my zipper width a little bit, and that takes some of the tape away. And you can also change the particle distance. So to create a nicer zip function, you can do a particle distance of 5. So other than that, if you would like to change the coloration of your zipper, we can go down to material and you can change the teeth information. We can change the teeth type to plastic or metal, which is a render only, or fabric shiny, whatever we'd like. And we can change the tape as well. So the tape fabric can be matte, it can be plastic, it can be whatever you prefer. The color is found down below. So while I'm in teeth, I can change the color to match or contrast or my fabric or whatever I would like. So I can select a color and it changes my teeth. If I stay there and click on tape, I can then change the color there. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to go back to teeth and I'm going to go back to the color I selected or a different color. Okay. And I'm going to apply that. Okay. And once all of those are done, I can apply and close. So I don't necessarily have to change or close out of the color picker. I can just apply and then toggle between the different parameters over here. Okay. I'm going to apply and close that. And I'm going to click out and you can see my zipper reflects the changes that I made. Now that is the zipper itself. If you scroll up and take a look at my zipper pull, a little bit hidden there, it does not have any changes made to it. That is a separate property. So if I click on that, now I get some additional options for changing the slider. There is the shape of the slider itself and the shape of the puller. Unfortunately, you can't really see mine. It's bent a little bit. Let's see if I can, there we go. That's a little bit more visible. Okay, so I'm going to now change my slider to be, let's say this one right here. You can change the shape. You can change the puller. This is more like an invisible pull. And then you can also change the color of both of these, as well as the material. If you want it to be matte, if you want it to be metal, whatever you prefer. And the color is right here. So if I want to now change it to that purple color that I've got, or let's say the brown color, I can use my color picker tool, which is this guy right here, the eyedropper. I can select the color, see if it can match it up. That just hits the gray. So I'm going to pick a different color then, something similar. To get out of the eyedropper, it says press escape. I'm going to apply that and I'm going to close. So apply and close. And when I simulate, I should see that my zipper pull is as expected. You can actually pull your zipper down out of simulation. So you go into you unsimulate, grab the little zipper pull and start to pull it down the zipper length as you would normally. When you release it, nothing seems to happen, but you have to simulate then to then see it open up. Okay. Very cool.